Watch this. Watch, I can get in my own office. Look at this kid. What? You better let me in my office. What? What? That's my office, not yours. I'm gonna leave.
Go in your office. Get in your office. Go in your office.
Come on.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Attack! Oh, no! Oh, no! You can't get in the office. Oh, dear. Oh, that's scary. That's scary. Hurry. Run into your office. Run, run, run. Hurry before the bird gets you. Hurry. Hurry before the bird gets you. Don't step on Harvard.
I won't. Look at this thing. I can't get in my own office now. You get over here right now. Right now. Hurry up.
Oh.
Hurry up. Get in. Hurry up right now. I'm getting into my office. I'm up. See the bird? Ooh.
Get him, Harvard.
I have a killer bird. Look at this kid.
Hurry, get in your office real quick. Hurry, get in your office. Get in the office quick before the bird gets here. Quick. Quick before the bird gets here. Hurry.
You won't let me leave. That's what it is. I can't get in my office, so I can't leave.
That's right.
Isn't that funny?
That's one way to keep Daddy grounded, huh? What do you think? Get him! Get him, Peach! Get him!
Oh, you're funny. Hi.